So beyond desktops, MSI also is a huge player in the monitor space. Here at Computex, we're showcasing our brand new ProMax 271UPXW12G. So this monitor here is one of the first in the world that is showcased with a brand new KVM 2.0 switch, which allows you to connect up to 3 devices and control them centrally through one. So for productivity users, for content creators, that's a big deal. You know, if you want to be able to control your MacBook or you want to be able to control your desktop PC, you can now do so across more devices than ever, and you can also transmit data between those devices over the KVM switch as well. So everything is really seamlessly linked together. This monitor as well is basically perfect for content creation and productivity use. It's a stunning 4K inch display and 120 Hz refresh rate. It uses brand new coating technology to reduce reflections. You'll note it's not as glossy as our other OLEDs.
I love these. They're all GX. So you had me at that.
So if you're working in a studio environment or an office environment with high, light from the ceiling or other sources, you're not going to get the glossy reflections like you would on our gaming ranges, for example.
Yeah, I want it. Send
someone your way.
Yeah.
I'll also note to it is also built with our AI Care sensor as well. So this one here, the monitor is detecting in real time and is looking for your profile. So when you sit down at the device, it's able to wake up. When you walk away from it, or even turn your head away from it, for example, it's able to lock your system too.
So I've got to ask, so it's specifically designed for a Mac?
Yes, so I was going to get that to my next, that's going to be my next point as well. So we've also built into our new ProMax series as well, what we're calling the MMA profile, where it detects when you've connected a Mac-based device into it, whether it's an iPad Pro or a MacBook, for example, and sets the color profile tuning to match Apple's ecosystem. So if you're working and editing in Lightroom, for example, in a MacBook Pro, and you want to continue doing so on your monitor, link it in over its Thunderbolt cable, and away it goes. The monitor is able to detect that you've connected a Mac-based device and reflect the same color palette, the same color calibration through the display. So that's our MSI and M-Lead profile.
Is it being targeted at Mac users or anyone?
Anyone who needs, it's just an added advantage by going with MSI.
So the resolution is it matches?
Yep.
So it matches Retina display.
It is not the same PPI, no, but it does match the color calibration.
Gotcha.
So your sRGB, your DCI P3 coverage spaces, for example, it does a one-to-one replication of Apple's tuning to make sure that when you finished your editing, for example, if you're using Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, what have you, you're able to take it back to your Macintosh device and know that the colors are going to match. Right.